Hello, my dear friends. Good morning. This is Jijo Vijayan from Jijo Vijayan's Affiliate Program Academy. In this podcast, I want to teach you how to make your blog go viral through medium.com. After blogspot.com and wordpress.com, medium.com is one of the finest blogging platforms in the internet. And this is founded by one American entrepreneur called Mr. Evan Williams, who is the co-founder of Blogger and Twitter. You can sign in using Facebook and Google and start publishing your blogs in medium.com. I am using medium.com for blogging purpose, that is to uh, write about products and services on various affiliate program, as well as to express my views on various topics on politics, technology, etc. There are millions of writers in medium.com on various topics. What you need to do is, like for example, you are specializing in digital marketing, you can search for similar content in medium.com digital marketing, and you will find thousands of authors. You just need to follow them and comment on their articles and give a clap. When you clap on the articles of people written on similar niche, then they will come to know about you, so they may also read your article. And there is an excellent partner program with medium.com whereby you can make some money also. You will get paid based on the reading time. If your article goes viral and it is read by more and more people, you will make more money. From each article you can make money. It is small money, but it is like an income that will increase from time to time. There are people who are making thousands of dollars from Medium every month. This is a wonderful platform for blogging because some articles you may write may go viral using search engine optimization in Google. Google may pick it up and make it viral. You may get organic traffic from the content you make, but do not expect any quick results because it will take some time for it to establish as a writer. And what you need to do is to network with as many writers as possible, so that when you follow people, they will follow you back. So when you have thousands of followers and when you publish a blog, it will reach thousands of people in a single shot, and you will start getting organic traffic for your articles. When people read your article, and there's a very good chance that they will click on the links on the products and services you offer, and that is how you make money if the sales happen. In medium.com there are two to three features which I want to highlight. The first feature I want to highlight is tagging people in the post. You can tag people in post at the rate of their name, and then when you tag them, they will get a notification by email. Second, on top of every post, you can actually post another article, so that particular article heading also will get traffic. That is a very good technique. Then you can use top tags like life, travel, SEO, etc. So this tagging can make your blog reach many people. Then you can clap on articles of other people and give comments on other articles, and that also can drive organic traffic to your blog. In partner program, you will get money on 8th of every month, and the payment is done through Stripe. And this is a very good method to make money for serious bloggers who want to make some money from medium.com. And medium.com is an excellent platform to promote your affiliate products and services, as well as to express your views to people from across the globe. What you need to have is a good content, a great story, and a good content and great story coupled with good images and videos embedded in between can make your blog go viral. People should find value in your blog, then they may start sharing the blog in social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. A catchy heading and good images are very important. What you need to do is to read popular stories in medium.com and try to imitate the same thing on what you write. I don't say that you should copy the content, but you can follow the format of successful writers so that your blog also can go viral. The content is most important. When you create a wonderful content, original content, there will be many readers for your blog. After you write and publish your blog, you share that blog link in all social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and post in as many Facebook groups as possible, LinkedIn groups as possible, in Instagram, everywhere you post it. Then what will happen, that people will click on the link and they may read your articles. What you need to do is to write very good articles with good content so that it will add value to the people. There are articles that has gone viral and reached thousands of viewers over a short period of time. It can happen through twitter.com or through Facebook groups. How to promote an article, I'll tell you. Make a short video of 1 or 2 minutes explaining about a particular product or service or regarding your blog and post it in Facebook and give a link to your blog below. So video marketing can be very effective in promoting the blog. So people will come to know what exactly you are offering and they may click on the link given below your video and read the blog. So today itself I suggest you start blogging through medium.com, write about products and services what you promote, and in the meanwhile join the Medium partner program and start making some money also. This is a very good option. You should focus on medium.com for blogging on long term, and in course of time you will have thousands of followers provided you write better content, and you can make a good living from medium.com as well as promote your products and services of various affiliate programs and get clicks from potential customers in future. Thank you very much for listening to this podcast. I will be coming up with new podcast very soon. This is Jijo Vijayan from Jijo Vijayan's Affiliate Program Academy. If you like this video, comment and like the bell button so that when I post another video, it will reach you next time. And I'll be posting more and more content. You can share this video with your friends. If you like it, you hear these videos as many times as possible so that you will benefit from it. Thank you very much. I have added the links of Medium and other tips and tricks regarding blogging below this video. Click on that and you will get more info. Thank you very much.